I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook hot dogs. First, let's talk about grilling. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, place your hot dogs directly onto the grates. Remember to turn them every 2 to 3 minutes to ensure even cooking and those beautiful grill marks. You'll want to grill them for about 5 to 7 minutes total, until they're nicely browned and heated all the way through. This method gives them a fantastic smoky flavor. Next up, the classic boiling method, perfect for a tender hot dog. Start by bringing a pot of water to a rolling boil. Make sure there's enough water to fully submerge your hot dogs. Once boiling, carefully add the hot dogs using tongs. Let them boil for about 3 to 6 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they look plump and are thoroughly heated. This simple technique ensures a consistently cooked hot dog every time, ready for your favorite bun. If you prefer a hot dog with a bit of a snap, pan frying is an excellent choice. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of oil or butter in a skillet over medium heat. Once the pan is warm, add your hot dogs. Make sure to turn them frequently to achieve even browning on all sides. Cook them for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until they develop that wonderfully crispy skin. This method adds a delightful texture that many people absolutely love. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your perfectly cooked hot dogs. Place them immediately on fresh buns. For an extra touch, consider lightly toasting your buns. It adds a fantastic texture and warmth. Don't forget to load them up with your favorite toppings. Whether you prefer classic mustard and ketchup, a generous dollop of relish, or even some hearty chili, the possibilities are endless. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.